Hi, I'm Tony Lawrence, and I live alone because my wife is in assisted living. And here I am. There are some problems to living alone, and in my case, one of the more major problems is that I lost my sense of smell years ago. No, it wasn't from COVID. It was, it was a mouse attack in our house. There were mice living under our bathroom tub, and it was a horrible mess. And I finally had to tear the damn thing out and have it all torn up on the floor and sealed up and take care of that, and then it was gone. But while they were here, the stench was so bad that my nose just shut off, and that was the end of that. I can smell very, very vaguely. It has to be very strong, like gasoline spilled on the ground, something like that. Other than that, I can't smell. So one of my concerns here was rotting garbage in the trash. I really don't want the garbage out in the trash either, because that gets smelly and it attracts flies, and when you open the door to the garage from the kitchen, then the damn flies come in, and I don't like that either. Last thing I want is for somebody to show up here and find a stinky, stinky house, and I would not know at all. So what I decided to do is this. I take all garbage or anything that's going to decompose and might smell, and I put it in little freezer bags. And I put those in my freezer. Though I only have to do that in the warm weather. If it's freezing cold out, I will just take the stuff out to the garage and let it freeze there. Why not? And I do that all week long until the trash man comes. And on that morning, I take all of those little bags out and I dump them out into my trash, which is, at this point, very little because it's only little bits of paper, things like that. And I dump them out, I wash them out thoroughly, put them off to dry, and take the trash out. Usually it hasn't even thawed by the time they come and pick it up, and that is the end of that. That's how I solved that problem, and you could solve that problem even if you can smell, if you have room in your freezer, which I do because I live alone, and there aren't two of us stuffing the freezer. Even if you do not have a problem with smelling, you could not have any smells in your kitchen at all if you put your garbage in little plastic bags and put it in your freezer.